Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download TikTok on your computer or laptop. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. If you sometimes want to watch a video in TikTok on your computer, then this tutorial is for you. Today we will learn how to do it. So open Google Chrome and enter TikTok. Go to the official website and then click on the three dots in the upper right corner and select Save and Share, then install TikTok. We wait and close the browser as we see the application appeared on the desktop. If suddenly you do not have the install TikTok button, then select Create Shortcut, click OK, and the application will also appear on the desktop. That's how simple it is. Write in the comments whether this method works for you. Also watch my other videos about TikTok at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.